We make very precise parts for things that go into Da Vinci robots, military and medical components, and racing components as well. I'm Gunnar. I'm a third-year apprentice at On-Time Precision Components in Delhi, Ontario. I'm a general machinist. I set up the CNC mills and CNC lathes. Some of the skills to make a good machinist would be having a good set of math skills and being very precise with what you're doing. Some of the things that makes this shop unique is that every single person on the floor here has a say in how that part is made and how it's assembled. Almost every morning I'm starting a new part. I love it. It comes with bigger responsibility, bigger risk, and a bigger paycheck.
The products from Lonestar are used worldwide. There's 9 different chutes that we make, and we make around 10,000 a year. Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm a welder and I work at Lonestar. Right now I'm building cement truck chutes. Also that we're working in the shop are dog food hoppers that are going to France, and we get to work on different farm equipment. We're also building different products for wind turbines. I've been learning new things every day. I've been starting to use the robot and the brake press. The company employs welders, electricians, and millwrights. Lonestar helps you out with CWB certifications. I chose welding because it's in a high demand. I enjoy it, and it's very versatile.
We make irrigation systems for the farmers as well as manure spreading systems. My name's Tabby and I'm a welder at Cadman Power Equipment. I'm very hands-on. I like to use all the power tools and everything that comes with the job. You need to be self-aware of what's going on around not only you but other people to make sure everybody else is safe. And good hand-eye coordination, attention to detail. Being a girl going into a male-dominated industry is scary, but they're all great. I've been treated no differently than anybody else, which is fantastic.
I'm Priya, and I work at Cadman as an electronic engineer EIT. You get to go out of your office into the shop floor, look how things work actually, and it's hands-on. It's interesting. It's really challenging, and you have to figure out a solution and then upgrading it. It's fun.
Now when I'm driving down the road and I see the drums that we make sitting in a field and I'm like, hey, I helped make that. That's me out there.
At the end of the day, if you can hold a part in your hand and it meets every single aspect of that drawing, it's a pretty darn good feeling.
It's very satisfying working with your hands and seeing the finished product every day.
I would say just go for it. You never know if you don't try.
There are opportunities. All you have to do is look for them.